guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all a-okay. My huge intro. This is my new one now, a-okay. It kind of sums me up. A bit quirky, a bit different, but yeah, I do hope you all are okay anyway. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I want to do a smoke, but like a yellow on the lid, if that makes sense, because this yellow from the Melt Stack is calling my name. I'm obsessed with yellow shadows at the moment, and that one right now is just like, Sophie, use me, please. So I'm gonna do that, and I really want like a blue waterline as well. I just want to do a smoke with a yellow and a blue waterline basically. So if you guys are interested in getting the look from the thumbnail, the look from the intro, just sitting getting ready with me, or just literally just watching me just to watch me, then please keep watching. I'm going to start off with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray, just to start to prime my face. Then I will be taking the Too Faced, oh I forgot, I didn't even realise that I was using that, the like primer version. It's the Hangover X replenishing face primer. I'm mixing it with a bit of the Becca shimmering skin perfector in the shade Opal. I don't think that this wand is meant for primer application, but oh well, oh well. I need so much new makeup, like, ooh, not makeup to like try, but backups. Like I've run out of so much stuff. Oh my gosh. And then to fill my pores and fine lines, as always, I will be using the Makeup Forever Smoothing Primer. And I'm just gonna pop this on the middle of my face. If you guys see that my fingers or my hands are like pink or purple, I've been making a wig. And my hands have just got hair dye all over them and it's just stained. It's not cute. It's not cute. I'm gonna go in and do my brows. As always, I will skim through this and leave my tutorial in the down bar down below for you guys. So I'm actually going to do my skin first, because the smoky I want to do is going to be a blown out circly one. For foundation, this is going to be super extra, but I'm going to mix two because I'm going to do a declutter very soon. I will record it obviously, and I need to know if I'm going to get rid of either of these because I just haven't used them in ages. This is the Hourglass ambient lighting stick or something like that, well, foundation, whatever. In the shade Golden, and this is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. Now whenever I've worn this I broke out really bad, and I think it is the foundation that's broke me out, but I want to try it one more time before I declutter it and get rid of it. And this is in the shade Golden Neutral number 8, so Golden and Golden Neutral. So with the stick I'm just going to map this on. Like I was watching one of my tutorials the other day, like a really old one, and I used the Hourglass one and it looked so nice, so I'm gonna use it today obviously. And then the Clinique, why am I blue? I don't want to be blue. Okay, that should be better, because I see so many people use this Clinique one and it just looks so nice. Then of course on my babe, my Morphe sponge, I'm just gonna dab this in. Okay, I like the coverage. Obviously I will use these foundations by themselves before I decide if I'm gonna declutter them. And though I do like the Hourglass one, like I said, the Clinique one just broke me out so bad when I used to wear it, so I've just always been petrified to use it. I wouldn't say petrified, that's a bit dramatic actually. I don't know if I like the finish. It's a bit too flat for me. I feel like I want some dewiness in there. I kind of like it, I'm not going to lie. So long as it doesn't break me out, that Clinique one can stay. She can stay. Cream contour, I'm going to take the NARS Multiple in the shade I never know. V and time. Whatever it is called. So I got told a while ago that they've discontinued this by a woman who worked at NARS. She was like, oh yeah, it's been discontinued, it's so sad, blah 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 blah. Why is it not being discontinued and it's still there? I was so worried because it's one of my favourite ones to use, and I use it very sparingly, like hardly ever as well, because I don't want to waste it because it was discontinued, and it's not. So I've been using that quite a lot lately. And then just with a bigger brush just to buff this one out. And then for concealer, I'm going to use the Nip and Fab concealer in the shade 05. I really, really, really love this concealer. Like, a lot. A lot, a lot. And then just back with the sponge. And then with my Ride or Die Baby, this is the MAC Mineralized Foundation Loose in the shade Extra Light. And I'm just going to set that. This is a Sephora number 79 brush. I feel like I need to tell you guys what brushes I use because I get a few questions about them. So I will do my best to remember to, but if not, just leave me a comment and I'll let you know what brush it is. I will be playing with a few of the Melt stacks. If you don't have them, go and buy them because they're amazing. If not, just use whatever you've got, and I'll try and tell you alternatives. I'm going to take the shade Neon from the Radioactive stack. This is a Crown, I think it's like a C441 brush or something. It's just a large fluffy blending brush basically. And I'm just going to buff this in and around the crease area. If you don't have this stack, you can always use Chrome Yellow by MAC. I'm pretty sure NYX would have a yellow eyeshadow. What's that brand? Kiko's got one as well. So you can always find an alternative. And I'm going to take this on the lower lash as well, because like I said, I want this to be rounded. Leave it there. With a blue top and a blue lip, I'd leave it there. But I've already done that look. From the Rust stack, I'm going to take the shade Rubbish, which is probably my favourite of them all. This is a Zoeva 221 Look Soft Crease. And I'm just going to buff this in the crease area as well. From the same stack, I'm going to take the shade Rust on that same Zoeva brush. This eye looks way better than this eye, and I don't know what I've done differently. This is Persia from NARS, and I'm going to take it on a Zoeva 227 brush. That's better, adding a bit of warmth in the eye. Lovely. I love Persia from NARS. It's such a stunning shade. I'm then going to take, is it the Dark Matter set? Yeah, the Dark Matter set, and I'm going to go in with the shade Enigma. I am thinking to do a full face of NARS, if you guys are interested. Because I did, at one point I did do a full face of like few brands, and that was like a thing I did. So if you guys are interested in that, then let me know. Right, let's do some cutting. We go in with a Max Select Cover Up in NC20. And then back with that neon shade, the yellow one. And I'm actually going to use Persia to like mix them, like the yellow and that purple. And then with that 227. Right, I'm going to add this blue liner just to see like if there's anything else I'm missing, because I'm unsure if I want to add a liquid liner yet. This is annoying me as well. This Blubber Fallout, which I'm going to deal with, don't you worry. So this is a liner from Ardent Seeing. It's in the shade True Blue, and it's a gorgeous, gorgeous liner. My favourite liners are Ardent Seeing. They're just so good. Electric Eel by MAC. And a Zoeva 317 winged liner brush. It's just an angled brush, and I'm literally going to press this on the waterline and slightly where the lashes are. I'm going to go in and curl my lashes and add mascara and falsies. I'll let you know the falsies when I come back. Liner. I might just literally just do a line over the lid when I come back, when my falsies are on, so then it kind of like attaches them together. So one sec. Okay, so the lashes I went for were Lily Lashes in Mykonos. Is anyone surprised? Oh, is anyone surprised? I take my NYX matte liner and just go over the lash band. I'm going to take MAC Vanilla Pigment, all time fave to highlight my brow bone. So then this is the completed eye look. It's kind of hard not to add any glitter or shimmer, but whatever, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. To bronze with, I'm going to take the Kevyn Aucoin Desert Nights bronzer on a MAC 135 brush. It's one of my favourites. It's very thin and tapered, but it's quite wide on the side. By the way, my new backdrop, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell, it's meant to be marble. It just looks creased more than anything, but it's meant to be marble. Maybe I'll put it like back to front, I don't know. But yeah, it is meant to be marble. I'm trying to venture out this year with my backdrops. I really want like a palm leaf one, and I'm like, okay, is that too much? Like, is that going to be too much of a distraction? But I think in the summer, I think it'd be really nice. I'm going to take NARS's Gina blush. I do think my favourite backdrop I've got is that pink blanket. It's my favourite. It's my favourite. I'm using the Makeup Revolution liquid highlight in Liquid Luminous Gold. Do you know what? I might use the Fenty one. I haven't used that in ages. This is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Mean Money Hustler Baby highlight. I was going to say holla. I'm going to take the Hustler Baby, the more shimmery one. And this is a Morphe M5110 brush. Take that Too Faced spray again. Drown myself because I just feel so matte and flat. And then with my damp beauty blender, as always, just to buff over it. I do have a new lipstick stand, which I'm going to show you guys. It's on my vanity, which I never usually have like lipsticks on my vanity. And it can hold 40 lipsticks, so I just put all my pretty ones in there. And I never ever like venture out of the same one, so I'm going to try a Charlotte Tilbury one today. If you guys want like any lipstick collections, like swatches, then let me know and I will do that. Like if you want to see my MAC collection, like as swatches, let me know and I can do that. Right, I'm going to try this one. Is this the Lumiere? No, Tootsie from Colourpop. This is Charlotte Tilbury's Penelope Pink. one more dab of the Beauty Blender because I just feel so matte. So then guys, this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. What are we calling it? Like grungy, smoky, yellow cut crease, blue liner makeup tutorial. If you did, then please give this video a massive thumbs up. I promise you I will love you forever. I pinky swear I will. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to my channel as well. Do let me know what else you guys want to see. I am taking it on board. Someone asked to see more matte. Here's matte. Here is matte for you. No shimmer, no glitter. It is a little bit alien, you are right. And like I said, if you want any lipstick collection swatches or whatever, then let me know as well. Keep the suggestions coming because I'm doing them. And until next time, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!